Hello everyone, welcome to Mystica, a sales tribe of tribologists, where the art of selling meets the science of lubricants. We have designed a unique game-changing sales course for lubricant professionals that goes beyond generic sales strategies, customizing the intricacies of lubricant oil and grease industry. This course is a blend of REPA sales techniques along with fundamentals of tribology and knowledge of lubricants, additives, and formulations. In this podcast, I would like to talk about making a tough decision. A decision can make or break your business. In this world of information overload, making a right decision is a very complex process. Effective business management is the effective mind management. If the leader cannot manage his own mind, how can he manage the mind of 10 other subordinates working under him? So remaining calm and quiet in the crucial situation is the key to take a right decision. And the great tool to do so is sitting silently with your own self without any distraction that will enhance your perception and visibility. So self-development is the key of wealth development. Consider an example of Olympic sharpshooter who is going for a training to learn how to shoot, but he gets the training about how to stand still with undivided attention and razor sharp focus towards the object, because even the slightest of the thought process or the breath movement can take away his mind and create the distraction. So similarly, in the process of taking decision, remaining undisturbed in extreme situation is very, very crucial. I hope in this new year you will take the bold decisions that will take your business to new heights of success. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ravi Ahuja, founder of Mystica Chemicals Private Limited. I'm BTech and MBA with 22 years of industry experience with international technical trainings in the United States, Germany, Italy, Taiwan, and Dubai. So join this course and master the art of taking tough decisions and see your sales flying like an eagle and profits flowing like a river. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the class.